Okay, so in this example, um, I'll go ahead and read the problem. A hockey player passes the puck to a teammate by bouncing the puck off the wall of the rink, as shown below. According to the laws of physics, the angles that the path of the puck makes with the ball are congruent. So what that means is, for example, you see this hockey puck, if it bounces off the wall, this angle and that angle are congruent. So if those two angles are congruent, and we also have that this angle and that angle are congruent. So notice how we have two angles that are congruent. So because we have two angles that are congruent, we can say that these two triangles are similar because of the angle-angle similarity postulate. So now that we have that the two angles are similar, we can set up two ratios, set them equal to each other, and find the value of x. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to say that 40, or that length BC, corresponds to CE. So I write a ratio 40 over 28, and the second ratio is going to be 25 over x, because this length corresponds to that length. And notice how I wrote, I'll use a different color. I wrote the numbers from the big triangle on the top and the numbers from the small triangle on the bottom. That's very important. So now that I have these two ratios, I'm going to set them equal to each other. And from here, I can just cross multiply, which you guys should already be familiar with. 40 times x, I'll go on the side, 40x equals, and then I'm going to multiply 28 times 25. I have to pause the recording to multiply that. 28 times 25 is 700. And now, to finally solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 40. Once I divide both sides by 40, the 40 goes away. And 700 divided by 40 is 17.5. So the value of x, in this case, is 17.5.